Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so tired, but I did say to myself this morning that I do need to get this video filmed even if it kills me. So I'm here, I'm going to film the video and then I'm literally going to go on the sofa and watch a movie. But yeah, this video, if you didn't know already from the title, I'm going to be creating one of the DIY grid mirrors. So I have seen a few of these around. They are quite pricey. I've seen a few on like Wayfair. There's another website, I think it's called Williams Wood Mirrors or something like that. But yeah, they're all really quite pricey, and I just thought that you could definitely recreate something for like a cheaper option. I have seen quite a few people doing this as well, but I am going to do it a little bit differently. So all you need for this this one is going to be some of the mirrors. So I've got 12 of these mirrors. These are the 21 by 30 centimetre mirrors from Ikea. I got 12 of these, and then a board, which is, I've got this board here. I didn't actually buy this, I actually got given it from, so I work in lettings and one of the contractors got it me, so I'm assuming that's from somewhere like B&Q or something like that. I'm sure at like one of your like hardware stores you'll find something there that's like that. If not, then you could just improvise and use, I don't know, maybe you've got like an old mirror that you don't like that's the same size, and you could just stick the mini mirrors on top of that. These also come in different sizes as well, so they have got square ones, they've got ones that are probably like half the size of this, so smaller ones. They were £1, I don't know if I've just said that or not, so £12 for 12 of them. So yeah, so that's what you need. You're also going to need for this one some electrical tape. So I've just got black, and it is pretty much like a centimetre in width. And I've obviously not tried this before, so I'm hoping that it goes well. But I've seen a lot of people using the wooden, like, is it like a panelled coving something, like, it's wooden anyway, and they just use that as the grid section. But obviously I didn't have time to get them, and I just had this lying around. It's from the pound shop. I think you get about 4 of them in a pack, so I just thought I'm going to try it with this. If it doesn't work, then it's not like I've spent a lot of money, and I can always just go for the wooden panelled option and just stick it on top and obviously paint it black. So yeah, let's just get straight into the DIY, and yeah, let's get sticking. So now you want to get your board, now that we've got all of the mirror unwrapped, and they come with these little stickers here, so you just want to peel off the sticker. Oh, first off, actually, you want to measure, let me bring this down. You want to measure to make sure that it actually fits on the base of your board. So 1, 2 and 3. And what I can see so far is that it actually is coming off the edge a little bit. You can't actually see that unless I do it this way. So if that's, can you see? You can't see, but it's a little bit hanging off the edge. So what I'll do is I'll just, so that it's even, just make it so that this side and this side have both a little bit of like a lip on the edge. But yeah, that's fine. Luckily it actually isn't too small for the mirrors, because that would then be a disaster. So yeah, not too small, sorry. If it was too big, then you would see the board. That's not what you want, so yeah.
So the next step is to stick down the tape onto the mirror, and as you can see here, I'm starting from one end and then just working my way down. What's really good about this tape is that it doesn't permanently stick straight away. So if you do go wrong or a little bit wonky along the way, then you can just lift up the tape and then reapply.